Cyclobenzaprine. One generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, cyclobenzaprine hydrochloride. Common brand names, Flexeril, discontinued in some countries but widely recognized, Amrex, extended release, Fexmid, generic cyclobenzaprine drug class, skeletal muscle relaxant, centrally acting muscle relaxant. Available drug forms, oral tablets, 5 mg, 10 mg, extended release capsules, 15 mg, 30 mg, oral generic formulations in some countries. Number 2. Definition. Cyclobenzaprine is a centrally acting skeletal muscle relaxant used for the short-term treatment of painful muscle spasms associated with acute musculoskeletal conditions. It works by reducing muscle hyperactivity rather than acting directly on skeletal muscles. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Cyclobenzaprine acts primarily in the brainstem, reduces tonic somatic motor activity, inhibits gamma and alpha motor neurons, decreases involuntary muscle spasms, has a chemical structure similar to tricyclic antidepressants, produces mild sedative effects, does not directly relax skeletal muscle fibers, does not improve muscle strength. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Well absorbed after oral administration. Peak plasma concentration, immediate release 3-8 hours, extended release 7 to 8 hours. Distribution. Highly protein bound 93%, widely distributed throughout body tissues. Metabolism, extensively metabolized in the liver. CYP3A4 CYPD6 enzymes involved. Half-life, average 18 hours, range 8 to 37 hours. Elimination, primarily excreted in urine as metabolites. Small amount excreted in feces. Number 5. Uses cyclobenzaprine is used for acute muscle spasms, muscle strain, muscle sprain, neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, sports injuries, whiplash injury, musculoskeletal pain, fibromyalgia off-label, myofascial pain syndrome off-label. Number 6. Indications. Indicated for painful skeletal muscle spasms, acute musculoskeletal conditions, muscle injuries, cervical strain, lumbar strain, adjunct to physical therapy, adjunct to rest, short-term therapy, generally 2 to 3 weeks. Number 7. Contraindications. Do not use in patients with hypersensitivity to cyclobenzaprine, hyperthyroidism, recent myocardial infarction, cardiac arrhythmias, heart block, congestive heart failure, MAOI use within previous 14 days, severe liver impairment. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use cautiously in patients with elderly patients, mild to moderate liver disease, glaucoma, increased intraocular pressure, urinary retention, enlarged prostate, cardiovascular disease, seizure disorders, pregnancy, breastfeeding. Avoid alcohol while taking this medication. May impair driving and operating machinery. Number 9. How to use. Take exactly as prescribed. Swallow tablets with water. May be taken with or without food. Take at the same time every day. Do not crush extended release capsules. Short-term use only, 2 to 3 weeks. Continue physical therapy if prescribed. Do not increase dose without medical advice. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults immediate release, initial dose, 5 mg 3 times daily. Usual dose, 5 to 10 mg 3 times daily. Maximum daily dose, 30 mg per day. Extended release capsules, 15 mg once daily, may increase to 30 mg once daily if needed. Elderly, lower doses recommended, avoid if possible due to increased adverse effects. Pediatric, not recommended below 15 years of age. Number 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Take as soon as remembered. Skip if nearly time for the next dose. Do not double the dose. Overdose. Symptoms: extreme drowsiness, fast heartbeat, confusion, hallucinations, agitation, seizures, low blood pressure, cardiac arrhythmias, respiratory depression, coma. Emergency management. Contact emergency services immediately. Activated charcoal may be considered if appropriate. Cardiac monitoring. Supportive care, seizure management if necessary. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately and seek medical attention if allergic reaction, difficulty breathing, swelling of face, chest pain, fainting, fast irregular heartbeat, seizures, serotonin syndrome symptoms, severe confusion. Avoid alcohol, sleeping pills, opioids, benzodiazepines, other sedatives, driving until effects are known. Number 13. Side effects. Common side effects: drowsiness, dry mouth, dizziness, fatigue, blurred vision, headache, constipation, nausea. Less common, confusion, nervousness, tremor, palpitations, urinary retention, increased heart rate. Serious side effects, cardiac arrhythmias, serotonin syndrome, severe allergic reactions, hallucinations, seizures, liver dysfunction. Number 14, vital information. Short-term treatment only. Not effective for cerebral palsy or spinal cord injury spasticity. May cause significant drowsiness. Avoid alcohol. Do not combine with MAO inhibitors. Increased fall risk in elderly patients. Can impair concentration. Use caution with liver disease. May cause anticholinergic side effects. Should be combined with rest and physical therapy. Number 15. Other drugs will affect cyclobenzaprine. Increased sedation, opioids, benzodiazepines, alcohol, antihistamines, sleep medications. Increased risk of serotonin syndrome, SSRIs, SNRIs, MAO inhibitors, tramadol, linezolid, lithium, triptans, St. John's wort, C-wipe inhibitors, fluoxetine, fluvoxamine, ciprofloxacin, cimetidine. Anticholinergic drugs, oxybutynin, diphenhydramine, amitriptyline. Cardiac drugs, antiarrhythmics, QT prolonging medications. 16. Drug comparison. Cyclobenzaprine versus baclofen. Feature, cyclobenzaprine, baclofen. Primary use, acute muscle spasm, spasticity. Site of action, brainstem, spinal cord sedation, moderate, moderate. Duration, short-term, long-term. Neurologic disorders, no, yes. Cyclobenzaprine versus tizanidine. Feature, cyclobenzaprine, tizanidine. Muscle spasm, excellent sedation, high, high. Dry mouth, common, very common. Blood pressure lowering, minimal, significant. Liver monitoring, less required. Cyclobenzaprine versus methylcarbamol. Feature, methylcarbamol. Sedation, higher, lower. Acute injury, excellent, excellent. Anticholinergic effects, present. Minimal. Elderly, less preferred, better tolerated. Number 17, patient teaching. Educate the patient to take exactly as prescribed. Use only for short-term treatment, 2-3 weeks. Do not stop or change the dose without consulting your healthcare provider. Avoid alcohol and recreational drugs. Do not drive or operate machinery until you know how the medication affects you. Take with food if stomach upset occurs. Drink plenty of water to help reduce dry mouth. Increase dietary fiber and fluids to help prevent constipation. Inform your healthcare provider about all prescription drugs, over-the-counter medicines, herbal products, and supplements. Report severe drowsiness, confusion, hallucinations, irregular heartbeat, chest pain, or signs of an allergic reaction immediately. Watch for symptoms of serotonin syndrome, fever, agitation, muscle stiffness, rapid heartbeat, or excessive sweating, especially if taking antidepressants. Keep all follow-up appointments. Store at room temperature away from moisture and heat. Keep out of reach of children. Never share your medication with others. Continue recommended stretching exercises, physical therapy, and adequate rest to improve recovery. Contact your healthcare provider if symptoms do not improve within 2 to 3 weeks or worsen despite treatment. Thank you. Have a nice day.